Today I am sharing two simple salad meal prep ideas that I absolutely love because they are simple, they're easy, they are healthy, and they are super delicious. And you guys, they will keep for the entire week because we are going to be prepping them and storing them in mason jars. Hello you guys, thank you so very much for joining me today. And now that you are, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me honor doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember to turn on that post notification bell so that you will always know when I upload new content to my channel. Now you guys, as you can see, I've got a combination of some veggies here along with some meat for protein, but you decide exactly what it is that you want to put in your salad. I'm using these ingredients just to demonstrate to you just how simple and easy it is to put together a meal prep salad and to store it away so that it is ready when you are ready. So on the screen, you guys, I have the recipes for both of these salads. Get the ingredients together, join me back here, and let's put together two mason jar salads together. Coming up next. So in both my recipes, I will be using cubed chicken. So coming up next, I will show you how I put it all together. Okay, everyone, now that this chicken has been cleaned and patted dry, I am going to add some avocado oil to it and then proceed to layer on my seasoning. So let's start with the avocado oil, and this just helps the seasoning stay on this chicken breast. And I also like it too because chicken breasts have a tendency to be dry, and when I coat it with avocado oil, it seems to retain some of its moisture. And when I cook chicken breast, you guys, you won't see me do it any differently unless somebody comes up with a better way. So as they say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Okay. All right, so that's the avocado oil. Next thing I'm gonna add is some salt, garlic powder, and of course you put the seasonings up here to your liking. I have some fajita seasoning here, and then finally some black pepper. Massage this on, and then we are going to flip these chicken breasts and do exactly the same thing on the reverse side. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and set these spice containers aside, and the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and cut this chicken into bite-sized cube pieces. And just like that, you guys, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing for this piece. All right, everyone, now that this is done, I'm going to take this over to the stove, put this in my preheated skillet, and proceed to cook these probably approximately 3 minutes per side. I'll see you there. Okay, everyone, I just added some olive oil to my preheated skillet. Not much, because remember, we already coated our chicken in some avocado oil. And then we are going to go ahead and proceed to put in this chicken. Spread it around so that it will cook evenly. And in about 3 minutes, you guys, this side will be ready, and then at that point, we'll proceed to turn it over and cook it for another 3 minutes. All right, everyone, that's been 3 minutes. Let's flip this over, and that looks good. Okay, so I'm going to proceed to do exactly the same thing with the rest of the chicken, put it on for another 3 minutes, and then this should be ready. All right, guys, another 3 minutes have gone by, and this looks good. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to take it out of this pan, put it into my bowl, and now this is ready for my salad prep. All right, you guys, so now that our chicken is ready, and I'm sure you've noticed that a lot of it is gone because my husband and I did, in fact, have some salads last night, and oh, so delicious, but you don't tell, I will tell. So up next, let's go ahead and prep our veggies. So let's get some of this stuff out of the way. And as you can see in this bowl, I have already prepped my cucumber. The reason why I did that, you guys, is because cucumber is heavy in water. So I just wanted to go ahead and prep it in advance so that way some of the water would extract from this cucumber, because the last thing that I want is a soggy salad. I want to eat my salad. I do not want to drink it. So as you can see at the bottom of this bowl, there is a lot of water. So just want to show you real quick how I took this cucumber and sliced it and cut it into cubes. Cucumber here. Just like that. Cut it into the size pieces that I wanted. And then take these strips and simply cut across so I have the size cubes. Just like that. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and set this aside and we will move on to our tomatoes. Okay, in this bowl, I've got two types of tomatoes. I have a vine tomato, and then I've also got some cherry tomatoes. Or actually, I should say I have some cherry tomatoes. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna take the tomato and just cut it into the size pieces that I want. The larger ones, I'll probably cut that into thirds. The smaller ones just in half. Okay, now for my vine tomato. And this again, you guys, is just to demonstrate to you that you can use whatever type of tomato that you choose. There is absolutely no wrong or right way in this. It's whatever you prefer. And since I have both types of tomatoes in my fridge, then I just opted to use both types of tomatoes. Now these are ready. Set these aside. And next is our onion. And I have a sliced ring of onion, and I am just going to cut this into the size that I want to use in my salad. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and set these aside. And in this container, I've got some pre-shredded carrots. I purchased them this way. All I needed to do was to rinse them, dry them, and these are all set. So you guys, and one other thing is my lettuce. So one of the two salads is going to have some romaine lettuce. So this has already been rinsed and spun dry in my spinner, and I'm just going to go ahead and chop it up. Go ahead and put this back in this container for now. Okay, you guys, now that I have prepped all of the veggies, the chicken is cooked, the next thing that I need to do is to go ahead and put together our dressing. I'm using two different dressings today. One is blue cheese and one is ranch. All right, you guys, so these are the ingredients that I will be using to put together these dressings. All right, let's just set these aside. Okay, and we are going to start with the blue cheese. And you guys see how super simple it is to make a delicious homemade blue cheese dressing. You won't go back to store-bought ever again. So in this bowl, I am going to add equal parts of sour cream and mayo. And because I'm just doing one salad prep today, using this dressing, I'm just gonna make enough for one. And plus I also have some of this dressing in my fridge that I use for salads. I use it for dip. Absolutely love this, you guys. Now to this, we are going to add our blue cheese. And we're going to smash this blue cheese into this mixture to release all the goodness of this flavor. You guys, we have blue cheese dressing. All right, so let's set this aside and move on to our ranch dressing. Okay, so in this bowl, we are going to start with some cottage cheese that I have made nice, smooth, and creamy by putting it into my NutriBullet. And I'm making a full batch of this, you guys, because I don't have any in my fridge right now. And again, I absolutely love this so much that I use it in my salads. I also use it for dipping in my vegetables. Absolutely love this. So right now, my two go-to creamy dressings are the blue cheese as well as the ranch. Next, our sour cream. Some mayo. Some rice vinegar. Lemon juice. Minced garlic. To this, we are going to add some dried chives and then also some dry cilantro. And blend. All right, you guys, of course, you can taste this for salt and pepper and just put it in to taste. But that is ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to put all of this aside, bring in my mason jars, and we are going to prep the first mason jar salad, which is going to be a cucumber tomato salad. Okay, everyone, so I have a 16-ounce mason jar here. This one is more the size that I actually would use for lunch. If you want to use a 32-ounce unit, you can do exactly that. So to this jar, I'm going to add my dressing first. So the key to making sure that your salad is not soggy is the proper layering in of these ingredients. So at the bottom of this, I'm going to add my dressing. So what you want to do is you want to put your dressing at the bottom, followed by your water-heavy vegetables. Then you're going to do your protein and then your leafy greens if that is what you're using in your salad. All right, you guys, so next we're going to layer in our cucumbers as well as our tomatoes. And with these cucumbers, I made mention of the fact that I had actually prepped them a day before just so some of this water could extract from them. Another thing that I also did is I also added some salt to them, and that enhances the flavor as well. Okay, then some onions, if that's what you like, and I happen to love onions. Okay guys, and to the very top of this, I'm going to put a couple pieces of chicken. And there we have it. So now, on goes the lid that seals in all of this freshness. And off to the fridge this goes. So again, it's ready when I'm ready. And on to the next salad. Okay everyone, so here I have a 32-ounce mason jar, which is more of a dinner size for me. So we're gonna start with our dressing, and this time we are using this homemade ranch dressing. To the bottom, I'm gonna add my dressing. Okay, and then next we are going to add in our what I call the water-based veggies. Bottom this goes. And because these vegetables have more water in them, you'll see that I did not thin out this dressing at all. I won't need to. Okay, next our tomatoes, some onions, carrots, our protein, which is this cubed chicken, and lastly, our greens. Go ahead and pack that in. You guys, do you see this? Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so now we're gonna put the lid on this and seal in all of this freshness. And as you can tell, I was pressing all of these veggies in. One of the reasons I was pressing in just so I can get more in this container, but also to press out that air, and that will help retain the freshness of these salads. All right, you guys, now this one is ready for the fridge. So here we have it. 2 mason jar salads, 1 16-ounce, which is more suitable for lunch, and a 32-ounce, which is ready for dinner. Okay, so for lunch, we have our cucumber tomato salad topped with some chicken and served with a homemade blue cheese dressing. And for dinner, we have our 32-ounce that is going to be served with a homemade ranch dressing. Okay, everyone, you know what I love about these mason jar salads? Absolutely everything. They are quick, they're easy, they're make ahead, they will keep fresh. You get to choose the ingredients to put in them. The ingredients are healthier, they're light. You get to also choose your salad dressings, which the 2 that I made for you today. One is a blue cheese dressing with 3 ingredients, and the other is a ranch dressing, you guys. Absolutely phenomenal, all these recipes. Give them a try and let me know that you did by leaving it in the comments. And also let me know how you make it your own kind of special by swapping out the ingredients that you love. And you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be honored of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to turn on that post notification bell as well. So you guys, this is what I have for you today. Thank you so very much for joining me. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit, Fab, 50, and enjoy.